Welcome back to Yummy with Mummy. Today we're going to be showing you a simple recipe on how to make boneless chicken mishkaki. So another grilled recipe on the barbecue, and as you can see here, we have the boneless chicken that have been cut up to chunk size pieces. First off, what we'll do is we'll start to make our marinade. So we'll do that in this pot here, and we will start with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by a quarter teaspoon of citric powder, a teaspoon of chili flakes, and depending on how spicy you like it, you can either add more or less, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter cup of oil, a tablespoon of yogurt, teaspoon of salt, and then we will be adding some coloring. We'll be adding a pinch of red food coloring, and we will mix everything up. So now we're ready to marinate the boneless chicken with the marinade we just prepared, and let's go ahead and do that. So we'll pour all of it into the bowl where our chicken is. And the next step is to just simply marinate. The best way to do this is of course by using your hands, and this will ensure that the marinade is consistently pasted all over the chicken so that we get a good flavor when we put this onto the grill. So we will want to let this sit, after marinating we will want to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. At that point it's good to go on the grill. So now we're going to let this sit for another 15-20 minutes, and we'll come back and show you what this looks like. So it's been 15 to 20 minutes. Next step, we're going to be placing each chunk of marinated boneless chicken into this wooden skewer, as this will make it easier to barbecue, and it also makes for easier serving once it's ready. So we're using about 5 to 6 chunks of chicken in each skewer. You can do the same, and it's pretty easy. You just ensure each chicken is firmly placed inside, and at this point each skewer can now be placed on the barbecue for grilling, and then it will be ready to serve. So we'll show you what this looks like when we're barbecuing it on the grill. So as you can see, we have the chicken mishkaki here out on the grill barbecuing, and we'll be turning this every so often so that it cooks evenly, and next thing we'll show you is what it looks like when it's cooked and ready to serve. So as you can see, this is what it looks like after being grilled on the barbecue, and we're serving it with a side of tamarind sauce for dipping. And that's basically it. That's all you need to do with this recipe. You can either enjoy it on the skewers directly or remove them from the skewers, as we have done in our case. Let us know how you like this recipe when you try it out. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.